Hello everyone and welcome to Southern RC. Today I'm installing new Injora 45mm aluminium shocks and brass beadlock wheels on my FMS 24th scale Blazer. First I disassemble the shocks and then I fill them with some Traxxas shock oil that I had lying around from a previous build. I fill them up to about 1.5 millimeter from the top, just to give them enough space to work properly. I just work the shaft up and down to clear out all the bubbles. And then I start to reassemble the shocks. First put back the end caps. What I do is I use a piece of kitchen paper towel when I grip the shock with the pliers, just to make sure I don't damage the thread on the shock or the shaft on the bottom, so that I can properly tighten everything. The shocks comes with 3 sets of springs with different stiffness. I chose the stiffest ones to use. I think they might have been a bit stiff in the end, but the end result works quite well, and it seems the vehicle performs much better and it looks a lot better out on the track, on the trail, than with the stock shocks. Later on in the video, when I was replacing the shocks, I had quite a bit of trouble to connect them to the chassis links again. The old ball joints had to be popped out, which was a bit of an effort. But when they were out, it was quite easy to put in the new shocks. After the shocks was installed, I assembled the new beadlock wheels and the tires from Injora, and then put them on the car. I'll put a link in the description below to the shocks and the tires and the wheels. I think the end result looks great. The suspension is much stiffer and there's a lot more weight low down, and it looks quite good. I have a few more upgrades on the way that I'll install in a later video, and I've got a run video coming as soon as well, so look out for that if you want to see how it performs now. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, leave your comment in the box below, or give me a like. Thank you. Enjoy your day.